Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on the ghost mode on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on ghost mode on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to enable the ghost mode. From this interface guys, at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see there is a map icon just beside the message or the text icon. Tap on that map icon, and on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on that, and on this interface guide at the first of the option where you can see there is the ghost mode, tap on that and enable or choose the time until which you want to turn on your ghost mode. And you can see guys, your ghost mode has been enabled, and this is how you turn on the ghost mode on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.